juutekrediidi tipust juhib 6 inimest ja ma tahaksin neid tutvustada. Meie juhtimisfunktsioonid, mida igaüks katab, on erinevad. Meil on loomulikult olemas finantsjuht. Meil on olemas minu kallis kaasasutaja Allar Niinepuu, kes juhib kogu müüki ja turundust. Meil on tehnoloogiajuht. Meil on riskide juht. Aga ma tahaksin tegelikult alustada sellest inimesest, kes juhib meie kliendi kogemust. Mäletate? Masin ja inimene, inimene ja masin. Göksu Tugay Bilal tuli meile Ameerikast, Chicagost. Ta on töötanud ka Türgis. Ta on töötanud Türgi suurima e-kommertsi või e-äri platvormi klienditeeninduse juhina ja meil juhib ta kliendi kogemust. See tähendab MyJute äppi, see tähendab meie kõnekeskust, see tähendab kõiki meie sõnumeid, mida me klientidele anname, tagasisidet, mida me klientidelt saame. Ta teeb kõike seda, et muuta juutekredit inimlikuks. Mäletate? Inimene, masin, masin, inimene. Göksu Tugay on meie kliendi kogemuse juht ja ma arvan, et nüüd on aega anda sõna talle.
Hello, my name is Göksu Tugay Bilal. I'm from Turkey. My Estonian journey has started about 2 years ago. Actually, it's 2 years as of today. So when I first got the phone call from my headhunter, I was pretty thrilled because it was one of the first times that I've seen a company was looking for a chief customer experience officer. And I was really interested in talking to the people who really cares about customers. I've been a customer experience professional all over the world, the US, South Africa, Qatar, Turkey. I've worked in many different industries, telco, finance, e-commerce. But this was the first time that I've seen a C-level coming and asking for a chief customer experience officer. So my initial interviews were about why I was in the customer experience industry and why am I loving this industry. Well, I'm a customer obsessed person. I love customers, and if there are no customers, you cannot survive in this world. So I really appreciated the owners and the founders appreciating this fact as well. And why I like Jute. Jute is absolutely amazing in terms of working for an international diverse environment. Every day I deal with a different country and different subsidiary, talking about different customer issues. Basically, you cannot just put a persona in one country to another, so you have to actually understand what your customers' needs are. So basically, we start from the customer and we end with the customer. If we make them happy, they will become happy for the rest of their lives with us. If they're unhappy, it's so hard to fix them. So my job is to create this extraordinary experience at Jute. And I do find the comfort that everybody helps me completing this job because everybody is really working towards customer. It's really unique to find in any company because usually sales beats the customer. This time it's the opposite way. Customer beats the sales, but customer brings the sales in the end.